Hi, today I'm going to be attempting to recreate a photo, not just any type of photo. I'm going to try and recreate a Calvin Klein ad. The photo I chose is a campaign photo by none other, I don't know, but this is a Bella Hadid Calvin Klein campaign. I don't know what coerced me into choosing this one, but it is the simplest one that I found that doesn't actually have anything in the photo that says Calvin Klein, because I don't actually have Calvin Klein. The picture that I chose is this one, right? So she's lying down on the floor or on a mirror. I'm not sure if this is a floor, if it's a mirror. She's in a red room, so I'm already behind. I don't have a mirror on my floor, nor do I have a red room. If you do have a red room in your house, I think it's a bit more weird if you do have one than if you don't have one. So but yeah, moving on. She's in a red room and she's lying on the mirror. I know she's lying because the pressure on her bum is too much. She can't be standing while taking this picture. She could not have been standing. So yeah, and she's wearing jeans. And I have jeans. I happen to own jeans. They won't mimic exactly what her jeans are doing, but it'll be close enough, okay? They're actually Levi's jeans, which Calvin, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, I don't have any of your jeans, so I'm going to use the one I have, which is, yeah, it's this one. It's a pair of blue curvy Levi jeans. It'll probably mimic the fit the best out of all of the jeans that I have. And yeah, so that's the first photo of hers. Okay, well, it's the same campaign but like two different poses. So in this one, she's lying down and she's looking over her right shoulder. I don't know if I'm gonna look over my right shoulder because I have a lot of what do they call them, acne scars, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I might lean over my other shoulder, which is a little bit more presentable. Yeah, the second one is from like bum up. You can see it, you can see it. So yeah, I'm gonna try and take these photos today. This could either go really well or really horribly. Please just bear with me. And I actually need to say this, shout out to Adithelma for suggesting this. I posted a picture on my Instagram and the caption was that I've always wanted to create a Calvin Klein campaign, and she was like, well, why don't you recreate one and make a video? And I was like, oh girl, that's a good idea, because I be sleeping sometimes. So when she said that, I was like, I have to do that. So yeah, we're here doing it. She doesn't seem to be wearing any makeup at all, maybe some lip stuff. Yeah, she doesn't seem to be wearing any makeup. She has no earrings on, she has nothing on except for the jeans. So I'm gonna take off these earrings. I'm gonna do a little something to my eyebrows because I need them to show up a little bit more. Or maybe I won't, maybe I shouldn't. Okay, I won't do it, but my skin is not as clear as hers, so I'm gonna put on some concealer on some of my darker spots. And then as for hair, this is what my hair looks like. I braided it. It's gonna have to do something to work. I just wanted to say that this video is not me trying to look like Bella Hadid, because I don't look like Bella Hadid. We can all see it. We all know I don't look like Bella Hadid. The point of this video is for me to see how much of a similar picture I can get to that Calvin Klein campaign. So please keep that in mind when you see the final photo or whatever. I'm trying to match the concept of the photo. I'm gonna go off camera and put on some concealer on the stuff. You don't need to see that part. This is probably the hardest picture I could have chosen to try and recreate, because her effortlessness can just not be matched, man. Okay, so I'm done taking the photos. They look as good as they're going to get. I don't believe there's anything I can change. I think I chose one of the most difficult pictures because it's so effortless, or it looks so effortless, but it's really not. So yeah, I'm gonna play around with that picture on Photoshop, see what I can do to make it red, you know. Oh, my hand is shaking. I know I'll be able to do the mirror effect on it. As for the making the room red or whatever, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. But if I'm not able to, then I'm gonna leave it. But if I can, I'll do it, and I'll just show you guys whatever looks good. And yeah, guys, I think I'll finish this video tomorrow because yeah, okay, I don't know how to start this, but it's the next day and I've edited the picture already. I wanted to try and take 2 pictures, but the second one was an absolute like flop. It was a fail. It was just it was horrible. Like I can't, there's no way I can lie on my arm and make it look that nice. Like no, it's just not gonna work, you know. It looks like I'm suffocating, and the second one, or the first one however, did work really well. Like I think it worked, but I'll let you decide. This is the picture. I used Photoshop to like mirror myself, kind of. I didn't do much editing. I only did the mirroring, and then I removed a thingy in the background. I removed an outlet in the background, and I also used the healing tool on my skin because of my acne scars. I don't want them to show on the pictures. I hardly take pictures of my back because of those scars. Let's look at them side to side. Okay, it's not the same picture. I tried to change the color of the room, like to make it red, but that just looked horrible, and I don't actually know how to make it look good and kind of just add a tint. So yeah, no shame, I just left it because I can't purposely make the picture so ugly like while I'm looking at it. I can't do that. I think I want to give myself a 7 out of 10 for this. Hey, I don't understand how she just laid down and then bah, there's this beautiful picture. I'm not a model, obviously, so it was very hard to actually try and do what she did and make it look almost effortless. That's why the second one didn't work, because that one is like, it just looks so bad. I don't know, because now the arm, it just, no guys, my body composition doesn't allow me to do that. I definitely had a lot of fun filming this video. If you guys enjoyed it and you want to see more videos like this, or you have any suggestions of which photos I should try and recreate, or like, I don't know, anything of the sort, like if you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have a suggestion, let me know in the comments. And yeah guys, thank you for 1,000 subs. Yeah, no shame, thank you. I didn't actually think I would keep this YouTube channel going on this long. Thank you for subscribing and watching and liking and commenting and sharing and all of that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.